Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Long time no full-length video. Super sorry at hindi ako nakakapag-post ng mga videos recently. But I've posted shorts naman, so I do hope na na-enjoy niyo yung mga shorts na mga pinost ko. Okay, so for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some of my swatches ng rom&nd nail polishes. And yes, rom&nd is a Korean brand. And I've already posted some swatches dati, and I super love their jelly finishes. Mostly kasi ang nakikita kong mga jelly nail polishes ay gel polish. Wait, so nakakalito ba yung sinabi ko? Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so jelly nail polishes are also known as sheer nail polishes. Ito yung mga nail polishes na may translucent finish. Sila yung mga hindi opaque na nail polish. Yung parang pag in-apply mo, see-through siya. And gel polishes, these are the nail polishes that kailangan ng UV or LED lamp para matuyo. I hope na-explain ko naman sa inyo to ng malinaw. Do you think I should do a video na nag-explain ng different types and kinds of nail polishes? Well, what do you think? Just leave your comments below. Okay, so bago pa mapunta sa iba yung usapan natin, tara, mag-swatch na tayo! We have the shade Audi Audi. So for Audi Audi, I applied 3 coats. Next, let's swatch Zesty Red. So for Zesty Red, I applied 2 coats. Third we have is Sunny Side Up. For Sunny Side Up, I applied 3 coats. Fourth we have is Purple Mood. For Purple Mood, I applied 3 coats. Next we have is Blue Bell. 3 coats for Bluebell. Then we have the shade Mamang Berry. I applied 2 coats. Then we have Misty Way. For this one, I applied 2 coats. And lastly, we have is White Bubble. I applied 2 coats for this swatch. I'm super loving rom&nd jelly nail polishes kasi ang dali niya mag-self-level. It only takes 2 to 3 coats and complete coverage na siya. Jelly nail polishes are in trend these days, so therefore this is a must-have for you guys. I bought all of these at Shopee. And now rom&nd Korea just released a Sanrio My Melody and Kuromi limited nail polishes. And medyo pricey pa siya sa Shopee. Should I try it or not? Kasi medyo pricey talaga siya eh. Let's see kung bumaba siya ng presyo baka. So let's just wait and malay nyo lang naman. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!